Hello everyone, technology lovers. Welcome to Satisfying Tech. In this video we will see the most useful factory machines. Believe me, they are all incredible. I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe before starting. Let's see if everything is okay. In our first video, we will see how to make a thick iron pipe with a press machine. A few workers control the iron mass placed in the press machine to shape it. That is, it turns it over. One person controls the press machine, and with tremendous cooperation an iron short pipe emerges. In this video, we see the process of cutting stones with water. Pressure is applied to the water and thus the stone is cut in the desired shape. And finally, they stop the pressurized water with the water at the bottom. And next, there's the straw bale wrapping machine. The bales are nicely wrapped in a transparent nylon for protection. In our next video, we are faced with a machine that eats everything. That's how I named it. They usually put small tools in this machine. This time, they exaggerated and put a motorbike with a case. Let's see, how did he eat? In this video, we will encounter a stone sorting video. It classifies the stones coming to a stone factory as large and small. A simple but useful machine. Next up is a funnel making machine. The plate, placed between 3 oval, rotating funnels, turns into a funnel. I was wondering about the funnels, so that's how they are made. Let's continue with the carpet winding machine. First, the workers put the pipe on which the carpet will be wound and fix the carpet. Then the machine wraps the carpet nicely. The next video is a factory crane controlled by a remote control. Workers, for their health, do not lift heavy objects and easily take them wherever they want with this crane. In this video, we watch the brush manufacturing machine. It's incredible how fast and zero error he can insert the plastic wires that make up the brush into the capsule holes. Next up is the meat grinder with bones. This machine cuts the meat mass placed on one side into small pieces and makes it ready for packaging. Let's continue with the gear making machine. The iron sheet that comes out instantly turns into a gear thanks to the heavy mass pressed. The last video of the series is an iron ball production machine. Iron balls used in bearings are produced fully automatically thanks to this machine. We have come to the end of this video for now. If you want this series to continue, you can let me know by liking the video. If there is a series you want from us, please specify in the comments.